I double dare you to try the Booty Call Booty Double Dare. From California Exotic Novelties, the leader in pleasure product innovation. It's 3 toys in 1. The sleek silicone probe, the pliable anal beads of graduated widths, and the powerful multi-speed vibrating bullet. Use them together or separately. The waterproof probe and anal beads are made with body-safe silicone. To adjust the speed, just turn the side dial. These probes are smooth and seamless, with a ring in the middle for handy retrieval or holding the bullet. Uses 2 AAA batteries. Enjoy them separately or together. The Booty Call Booty Double Dare.